Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a drag-and-drop app builder that creates mobile apps for your website easily and quickly with beautiful UI and rich features. In response to numerous client requests, we have created 2 additional UI options for vertical layouts. This means you now have a total of 8 vertical layouts to choose from. Let's get started by logging in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. There are 2 new vertical layouts, including top products and menu with custom categories. Now let's try the second new UI. To display data, you need to update categories. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.